To say that Huawei is a big deal in the smartphone market is nothing short of an understatement, but despite the company's unquestionable international success, to say nothing of its recent market growth, it's been slow to use that momentum to create a strong US presence. That situation's beginning to change, at what feels like a glacial pace, and not just for the main Huawei name. The company's also turning the spotlight on some of its sub-brands, and today we're taking a look at the latest as it gets ready to make its US retail debut, the dual-camera equipped stylish Honor 8. In the box. Honor 8. USB Type-C to standard A cable. Fast charging adapter. Warranty card. SIM tool. Chances are, the phone you've been carrying is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. Or maybe you've got one of last year's Galaxy flagships, when Samsung gave its Exynos chips a global rollout. Or if you happen to shop from the right rack on the discount aisle, you could have a phone built around a MediaTek chip. The Honor 8 takes none of these familiar routes, instead running a HiSilicon, another Huawei brand, Kirin 950. That's the same processor we found earlier this year in the Huawei Mate 8, and at the time we noted how strongly the phone performed against late year 2015 flagships like the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. While the Honor 8 does no worse, and its benchmark performance is a near-perfect copy of the Mate 8's results, the Snapdragon 820 has since made its presence felt, and the Kirin 950 is no longer quite the same blazing powerhouse it looked like back then. Huawei pairs the 950 with 4GB of RAM, an ample amount for a handset of the Honor 8's capabilities. Realistically, that 4GB is so sufficient that you'll likely never have to think twice about it, so it's a little curious that MI places available RAM front and center for the phone's multitasking interface, a simple side-by-side view that harkens back to the Android of years past, constantly reminding you just how much is left to use. In actual operation, the Honor 8 performs smoothly. It doesn't really need to be a heavy lifter to get tasks done with MI, and the lack of a crazy high-res display helps keeps processor and memory requirements on the sensible side of things. Huawei sells the Honor 8 with either 32GB or 64GB of storage. A hybrid SIM tray lets users expand upon those options with their own microSD card for even more space.